So, looks like you're busy today. What'd you get done?
Okay, I made the rest of the cover here today to fill in under the dash,
Yeah.
and I made the plate for the heater
Yeah.
and cut these pipes and shaped them to go to the dash.
Okay.
And this is a hot air pipe for if they want hot air in.
Okay.
Then I sanded and painted all this.
Yeah, it's nice and shiny.
And then from there,
Should we look in the front here? There's the blower motor here, all mounted.
yeah, I gotta hook up the wire and the hose yet.
Yeah.
But it's all one piece, so I didn't drain the rad.
Yeah. So you're just gonna cut that in half and then. Okay.
Hook that up, and then I'll take the wiring over top. I left enough room there.
Okay.
And then there never was a gasket on
The axle.
that axle, so I made the gasket and silicone on both sides and put it in.
Okay.
So now the diff has to be filled.
Okay.
And I'm trying to figure out what the hell we're going to do here for a floor.
Yeah.
So I'm thinking I'll put a chunk of board in here on top and a chunk of board down here. Just so there's still, and use the old floor, eh?
Okay.
So there's some foot room, but that's tomorrow. I have to fit that up and see what I'm going to do there.
Okay, so that's quite a bit of work. You've been working on that all day. I really like this. It looks really nice.
I'm ready to start this, so I got one.
Put some gas
I
in.
put 6 gallons of gas in this tank, and I'll put a jug of gas in the other one,
Okay.
and tomorrow I'll start it up.
Okay. It's oil levels are good. Transmission levels are good.
Yeah, I'm gonna run this one and change oil and a new filter and the engine, eh?
Okay.
But it's ready for a test.
Okay. So when can we take this off the
Well, anytime now.
Okay.
It doesn't have to be in the air anymore. I'll let it down and adjust the adjusters to tighten the tracks a bit.
Okay.
And this piece of shit here, I don't know what to do with. It's too springy, eh?
Okay.
I might make a whole new one.
So that's the back seat.
Yeah, but they wouldn't cut a hole in the back that wasn't required.
Yeah.
Put the motor in. Now you gotta try and fit this up. It's just one boondoggle after another. I had it today.
Okay. And then we're gonna start into the yellow here in a day or two.
I gotta pull the windshield wiper out again because it's gotta be retimed.
Okay.
And then I'll put the proper screws in here so that these triggers work.
Okay.
The diff is full. The brake and no, the throttle is in, but not the brake system yet. But I gotta put that in.
Okay.
This one here is okay because we'll put a sheet of iron or of plywood in here and a seat because he's going to use this for fishing and whatnot. This has to be painted yet. So.
Okay. So while yet on this.
This one is fairly cool. Just the tanks, like I've had it running, but now with the new carb, I haven't had it running.
Okay.
So I gotta get it run. The oil's changed and filter. I gotta get this thing running and adjust the carburetor for idle.
Okay.
And this one's pretty well ready.
Okay, guys. So that's the 2 machine update here. Dad is going solid every single day. He's out here every day doing what he's doing.
And I probably won't get the rotor made until after Christmas.
Okay.
I don't want to put the rotor on here for a simple reason. I don't want to take that differential apart. So I'll put the rotor here, cut this off, these brackets, and start fresh.
Okay. I know a few of you guys have asked questions about why the rotor goes on the transmission sometimes, and there's a perfectly good example of why.
You have a choice.
Yeah.
The only thing is when you put it on the transmission, you have to have a flat plate going across that's really strong and reinforced on both sides so welds don't break.
Okay. Okay, there you go, guys. That's December 11th, I think, and that's your 2-machine update. Dad is busy, busy, busy. We hauled this back in. Dad's going to try and get this back into this machine, some of it anyways.
I gotta try it. If not,
Then, well, no harm to try, right? It'll be,
See, the trouble is this is original.
yeah,
And this kind of shit was all added after.
Yeah.
So how was it supposed to hook up properly?
yeah,
And then it was too high to start off with. So they put this in. Well, probably has to be another 2 inches thicker.
yeah. So, there it is, guys. That's it for today.